Before making any purchase, it's crucial to know what you're getting yourself into, especially with Brainyideas FZCO. In this video, we'll dive into 7 things you absolutely need to know before deciding if it's the right fit for you. Trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end, because I've got some valuable insights and tips to help you make the smartest decision. Now, Brainyideas FZCO is a platform designed to cater to a wide range of businesses, from startups to established enterprises. It promises a seamless experience with its tools, helping streamline processes like project management, client management, and marketing strategies. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First off, the user interface. While some platforms can feel clunky or overly complicated, Brainyideas FZCO offers a clean and intuitive layout. You won't find yourself lost trying to figure out where to click next. It's user-friendly and, compared to competitors, it's much easier to navigate than some of the bigger names like Monday.com or Trello. This makes it a solid option if you're looking for something simple yet powerful. Next thing, pricing. Pricing is always a huge factor when choosing a software solution, and while Brainyideas FZCO is competitive, it's important to understand the full range of options available. Their basic plan is affordable, and they offer flexible packages depending on the size and needs of your business. When you compare it to other platforms in the market, like Asana or ClickUp, Brainyideas FZCO holds its own, especially when you factor in the additional features that often come at a higher cost on those platforms. The third thing you should consider is its integration with other tools. Unlike many other platforms that have limited integration options, Brainyideas FZCO allows you to sync your favorite tools easily, whether it's Google Drive, Slack, or Zoom. This ensures your workflow stays smooth without having to juggle multiple apps. The fourth thing is customer support. This is something that can make or break your experience with any software. With Brainyideas FZCO, you're not left in the dark. They have a responsive customer support team available through chat and email, and from personal experience, I can say that they're quick to assist. While some competitors can be hit or miss in this department, this company excels at providing prompt help when you need it. Next thing is customization. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or project management, Brainyideas FZCO lets you personalize the software to match your business processes. You can create customized workflows, forms, and dashboards. Unlike more rigid competitors, this flexibility allows you to mold the platform to your unique needs rather than forcing your business into a preset framework. The sixth thing you need to know is scalability. As your business grows, you'll need tools that can grow with you. Brainyideas FZCO doesn't just cater to small businesses, it scales well to accommodate larger teams and more complex operations. If you're worried about hitting limitations down the road, rest assured that this platform is designed to expand with you. Finally, security. When it comes to business data, security is non-negotiable. Brainyideas FZCO takes this seriously, implementing top-notch security measures to ensure that your data is safe and secure. While some competitors might offer basic security, this platform goes the extra mile with encryption and regular audits, giving you peace of mind. Now, if you're curious about trying out Brainyideas FZCO, I've got something special for you. You can get the best offer for the product and try it completely free from the first link below. Don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself and see how it compares to other options out there. Remember, if you want to explore all the features and benefits Brainyideas FZCO has to offer, click the link in the description for an exclusive free trial and some extra perks you won't get anywhere else. Don't wait. Check it out now.